You're watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Muhammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am explaining you isometric projection of cylinder. So how to draw this problem? So I am going to explain you in detail, and this problem is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students, and it is of 15 marks. It may be 10 marks also for the different branches. So please guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you no notification of other videos. Now I am starting my question. Draw the isometric projection of a cylinder of 50 mm diameter and 75 mm axis side. Means a cylinder will be like this. Okay. So if you see the cylinder from the top, it looks like a circle. Okay, this is the top view of the cylinder. If you see from the front, your prism will be created like a rectangle shape you will have. But in this question, cylinder of 50 mm diameter means here you are having 50 mm diameter circle, and its axis side is 75 mm. Okay, as said in the question. So we have to draw first orthographic view according to the isometric projection, means isometric scale dimension we have to take and draw and isometric projection, like according to scale only you have to draw the isometric projection. Okay, first to draw the isometric orthographic projection, first you have to take an XY line like this, and what is the dimension given for the diameter 50 mm, but for the 50 mm the true scale it is. So we have to take the isometric scale distance this much 50 mm. So the 50 mm diameter this much circle we have to draw here. So to draw the 50 mm circle, according of 50 mm's half will be 25. So 25 mm you have to adjust on the divider and draw a circle like this. And this will be the top view of the cylinder. Okay, then after drawing this top view of the cylinder, you have to take the projection line till this XY line like this. Then the remaining line and also you have to take from this O center point also, and dark this line. This is the base of the prism, and prism height is you are having 75 mm in the question, but here in the isometric scale 75 mm true length. This 75 true length we have to take off the isometric length. So adjust here divided to that 75 mm. This much length is the axis. So from this here only you have to take the axis side this much. So this will be the axis side. So we have to adjust and draw axis line. And this much also you have to draw. Lateral rectangle surfaces and draw. And you have to show the dimension of this line, axis side like this. And this is of 75 mm. You have to write 75 only. So for the diameter 50, you have to show the diameter 50 mm. According to the isometric scale only we have drawn, but you have to show the dimension according to the question. Okay, this is the orthographic view, front view and top view of the cylinder. Now for the isometric projection, you have to draw for the isometric projection, you have to take a line like this and put a dot anywhere else, and keeping your protractor like this, adjust your protractor and take 30-degree angle from here and 30-degree angle from here, and from that point you have to draw a line, convenient line, how much you want to take that much, and from here also you have to take. Okay, show the angle you have drawn 30 degree here and here also 30 degree. Okay, now to draw this circle or in the isometric projection, in a rhombus you have to draw. So I will take this circle in a square like this to make you understand easily and how to draw. I will this square numbering I will do 1 2 3 4. Okay, and this 1 2 I will this 1 2 measurement I will take here on this line, on this 30 degree angle line, and height 1 4 I will take on this line. So measuring this distance I will adjust it and I will draw. This distance and this distance of the circle will be same. So by taking once you can take this distance and this distance, and by adjusting your mini drafter to that angle, first this one will be 1 and this one will be 2 and this one will be 1 4, and third point I am getting by adjusting this mini drafter and taking a line from here and adjusting to this angle and taking a line from here, and third point is 1 2 3 4 rhombus we have created, and in this rhombus only you have to draw this circle. So circle distance, this much distance you have to take half distance. So on 1 2 this circle is touching to this line 1 2 line. Okay, so take that only. It will be the same for all the numbering on the rhombus. So take the arcs on all the 4 lines. Then after draw the lines from 4 2 to 4 like this, and 3 to 1 like this, and from this 3 this arcs you are having, from there also you have to take the lines, because to draw the base of the prism you have to do this process. And from this point 1 this arc and this arc. Then after take your divider. So this much we have to do the arc from keeping on 3 and adjusting the mini drafter till that distance, and you have to draw this line. We have to do it dark, because if we are the observer, if you see this cylinder base, it is visible, so we are doing dark, and remaining this one also visible. So for this you have to adjust your mini divider and draw it as like this, and from here also this arc is also visible, but half base is not visible. For the invisibility you have to do it dot dot like this. Okay, and from here also, and the remaining length you have to adjust from here and taking a dot dot line. Okay, this bottom circle is created. Okay, then after the axis height is 75, means isometric height is this much. So adjusting or measuring that distance on the divider, that much how much we have taken in on that, and according to this circle origin from there to there you are having the axis height. So keeping on that, I am taking an axis height like this and taking an arc. Okay, and drawing a line like this and like this. You have to draw the top face of the cylinder. Okay, so in the rhombus only you have to draw. As usual you have drawn this bottom of the cylinder. Now this same rhombus you have to create with the same dimensions. So how to create this? We have to copy this from this. I am adjusting this divider till here and keeping from here to here, and from here I am point taking, and with this angle adjust your mini drafter like this and draw a line from that point till this line, and from here you have to take upside like this and adjusting this to this angle, drawing the line from this and there, and rhombus is created. And same process for this bottom cylinder we have done, same process we have to do, means half of this distance you have to measure and do it as half of distance on that rhombus. Like this. Then after you have to draw the lines from to these bottom arcs like this, and from here to the top arcs like this. Now with the divider, this top face of the cylinder is visible, so you have to do it all this dark. So how to do this? First I am keeping here, adjusting till here and drawing this arc like this, okay, and keeping here like this, and remaining arc you have to keep it on here, the distance here where these two lines are meeting from there. Adjust your divider and draw it like this, and here also adjust your divider and draw it, okay, and this top face of the cylinder is created. Now you have to only join this lateral edges from here and from here, and this cylinder is created. And from O to O, how much dimension is you have to show the dimension of this line by taking extension line, dimensioning line, and show the dimension as 75 mm. And this is the isometric projection of this cylinder. Hope guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and please watch my videos till the end and also practice by yourselves, and don't forget to my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. Thank you.